All right, we have got a 2016 Toyota Corolla steering wheel here fixing to go out. And again, we do every steering wheel in the world. So whatever it is you want done, we can take care of it for you. This customer specifically had a couple of requests that he wanted on this Corolla. He wanted to go with a really heavy grain. So we went with a heavy Mercedes-Benz grain leather on this. The authentic baseball stitching as you see there, and then just reupholstered it as if it had been brand new, but with those minor adjustments that he wanted. And interesting, the Toyota Corolla, it is the #1 selling car in history. So that's a little small fact there to know. We love our Toyotas, so we do a lot of Toyota Land Cruisers, Camrys, Corollas, Tacomas, lots of different Toyotas, but again, we do every steering wheel in the entire world. So just like our video, if you would, share it with others and subscribe to our channel and visit us at craftcustoms.com. We look forward to working with you, and you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.